So the PERM labor certification process is a way for foreign nationals to get permanent residence in the United States. It's one of the most widely used ways that foreign nationals do get permanent residence here. It's sponsored by a company in the US, and the company essentially has to prove that there are not enough US workers to fill the role that this foreign national can. And interestingly, it's actually done first through the Department of Labor, where the employer has to literally place ads in the job market to test whether there are a sufficient number of US workers or if there are qualified US workers. And they use that to prove that there aren't any to the Department of Labor. So then after that process is successful, then the foreign national can apply for their green card through the Immigration Service. This is helpful to a broad section of foreign nationals coming to the US, from those who have an education and who are highly skilled to those who may just have experience and don't have an education. It's really like a win-win situation because the company, especially in this current climate where there aren't enough US workers really for a lot of jobs, the company can win because they can prove that there aren't enough US workers for this particular role, and the foreign national can get permanent residence and stay here and contribute to US society. This is good for the United States because we get to have access to highly skilled workers who can come to the US and immigrate here and benefit the United States. It's a win-win for the foreign national, obviously, because they can come here permanently. The PERM labor certification process is good for highly skilled workers. It's also good for industries where they do not have enough workers, like the restaurant industry or even any other industry where they simply need workers who are skilled and may not necessarily be educated. So we encourage all foreign nationals who are here in a non-immigrant status to start looking into the PERM labor certification process as soon as they can, because even if they may not qualify right away, they can at least understand the process and know what they can do to make their chances at being successful at this process greater.